Hello, friend, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Alpha SkyTech. Today in this video, I'm bringing you how to create a domain controller and also creating users in the AD, and while using a script. I know it's easy to utilize. Sometimes utilize just the tools of to do so from add remove, but I have found some useful scripts on GitHub. That's what we're gonna use that. One of them it's adding DC, and then after that I'm gonna show you how to add user, and it's gonna create it very well and very practical, rather going and doing that manually, especially on the user part. If you have a lot of users and multiple groups, that's basically what do you need a script, and this script actually can be available if you contact me or email me. I can provide you the script. I'm not going to be able to put it on the description section part, but if you contact me, I will be very glad and happy to give you that. So, folks, this is my local server right here, and I have a computer name for it. I put a computer name and all this, and it's not been set up yet. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do in this moment. So we're gonna go and type PowerShell, and we select the ISC, and we're gonna run it as an admin. So the PowerShell will open, and then we're gonna open the script that I have. First one, it will be the DC. So we're gonna declare, as you can see, some variable in here, and as showing you in this video. My mouse is start quitting on me. All right, let's see here. Basically, as you can see here, give me 1 second. Okay, I fixed the mouse issue much better now. So as you can see, declare the variable. I'm gonna put the domain name with .com. It will be my channel, which I have registered that already as alphaskytech.com, and I'm gonna go ahead and uh, put it here, and I'm gonna demonstrate that to you in a minute. Here we go. And in here, in this part, folks, we're gonna put the Alpha Sky without .com actually for the domain NetBIOS actually. You're gonna put it without the word the .com. Okay, so you're gonna double check your work. It's very important to do that after declaring all these variable, and you check all the and you double check from the downloaded folder original, and then here you're gonna put the password to this password here is not for the main when you log into the server. It's for the recovery process, folks, and I have my own, and I'm not gonna be able to share it with you right now. So, folks, after I put my password up there, and I have to make sure everything is correct, all the variable has been declared and in the proper way. And you're gonna click on save, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on run. So the process is gonna go ahead and build up the domain controller, And then at the end, most likely it's going to go and ask you to restart the computer here. And it's going to take a few minutes here. And as you can see, folks, it's doing the process here. I did put the password here, which that's okay, and I can change it at any time. So it's still building up right now, and hopefully it's gonna be finished shortly. I'm looking here, is running, which is good. And folks, now say installing new force configuring the DNS server, and here you go. And it get to the point when you are about to sign out, and you can click on close. There you go. So basically, the server is going to reboot in here, as you can see, and it's going to go through a process of stopping all the services and pretty much rebooting in here. And this is the logo for the server 2025, folks. um, and right now it's saying applying computer setting. And I gotta tell you, friends, this is it took some time. Probably it all depend on speed of the main computer. I have several VMs here. I'm using a lot of bandwidth, a lot of disk storage. So all these things are contributed factors that may slow down the process. But if you look at other videos I have previously, I did this process on a 2022 server, I believe, on a 2019 server, and it went very quick, though. Okay, folks, computer, it's finished. Um, it's finished rebooting. I'm gonna go ahead and click Control Alt Delete. So as you can see, it's coming as a administrator at my domain name, and that's a good sign. That's a very good sign that did create. I'm gonna use my password, not the one you guys saw in there, but that's my own password logging into the server. There you go, and again, the password you guys saw in there, that's for maintenance in case something happened to the server, as you can log in as a local admin, but not the as a user. And so the process is finished, folks, and as you can see, still loading. And in a minute, pretty sure this is going to populate it with the AD in here. And as you can see, still going through the process. There you go. And as you can see, it did create the AD for me. This is local server, and the domain, it's right here, Alpha Skytech, which is successful. It did create the ADDS, dense, and all these things are been has been created. We can minimize here, and we're gonna look in here, folks, under um, uh, all apps, and most likely you're gonna see the under administrative tools the Active Directory that's been created for you. And as you can see, it's under Windows Tools. So this is the Active Directory. I'm gonna go ahead and pin to task, which because I'm gonna be in and out of this. Close this, and as you can see, the domain it's here, and did create it successfully, folks, for me. The next step, and as you can see, there isn't only the default user in here. Next things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run a script to create some users for you. Again, we can do that here by adding in a new user. It's very simple, but again, if you have a bulk of users, and just to demonstrate to you to of utilizations of the PowerShell while creating things on a server. This is a server of the latest 2025, folks. Okay, friend. So we're gonna go through the same process, and we're gonna go to PowerShell.isc, and then we're gonna run it as an administrator again. Probably it's gonna load the old one, which basically I don't want to use that. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead open the second script here, which is adding users, and we're gonna set some variables. So I'm gonna have, instead of 10, I will go ahead with 5 in here, and these users are be counting is gonna go from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, and then count to 4, because 0 is going to be user 0 actually in here. So the password, I'll leave it as is in here, which you guys can have the choice of changing that. And for the domain names, as you know, I have my own domain as skytech.com, and you're gonna double check how many users. This is very convenient for you. If you have a bulk of users, even if you have a one users, actually, you can set them up, and you can have everything put and declare some variables and all that what you need actually, and it's gonna do the magic work in the background, as you can see. So basically, after finishing everything and double checking everything, you're gonna go ahead and click on save, and then we're gonna go ahead click on run. So when you see this sign again, the same flashing cursor, that's mean everything went successfully. We're gonna go ahead check under user, and we can close the AD and reopen back AD, and as you can see, you have about accounting users starting from 0 to 5. It just count user 0 also in here, as you can see about 5 of them, and you can have a choice of deleting that too, but this is all the users are here after running this script, folks, and it went successfully. You can exit the script, and here we go. That's the AD. And these are the users we just did. First, we create a domain controller, and it's right here. And then we run the script, and we create the users also. Folks, we are at the end of this video, and I want to take the time also to thank you for watching and thank you for your support. And as always, I appreciate your like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.